So here's our little incubator that we made. It's made from a Omaha steak ice chest. I hadn't measured it, but that's 8 and 8, 16 by 8, 9, 10, 8 by 10, or 16 by 10 maybe. Inside we put 14 eggs that I had gotten over the last day or so before I put them in. I put a little computer fan. It's a 12-volt fan. It's just one we got out of a computer we weren't using anymore, and a 15-watt wax warmer bulb. We put some holes on this side, but the idea was to get a light bulb that we didn't have to cut that many holes. We did have to plug up the holes with duct tape and kind of help regulate the temperature at first. We really tried to keep the temperature about 100.2. A couple times it got up a little higher than that. Probably got up to 102 instead of 100.2 a couple times, but we tried to watch it and regulate it. And then my wife also bought this little dimmer switch where we took coins. We took these coins, and right now, because you just barely move it and it changes quite a bit, so we got to where you put in 2 nickels and tried to like use a measurement instead of sliding it. We're using coins to know how the spacing to know where it's at to try to regulate the temperature. But after 21 days, after 18 days, oh, well, let me show you this too. Let's see. Oh, she's already taken it out. There was this. It's just a baby food jar. We put water in it, and then we put this sponge in there, and we set it on this right side so that the fan could blow across and kind of wick the water up and keep the humidity right. She's got a little thermometer and tells the temperature and humidity over there. And we also on day 18, and we rotated them around. We moved them every 3 times a day. And another thing I did was on the shell I marked a line and numbered each one of them so that we could tell that we'd rotated it over or rotated the line up, and we could tell that we had rotated it. That was real helpful. And then here's all the shells, and then we had another little cup over in the corner just with plenty of water in there on day 18, so when we lock them down and we don't touch them after that, and they started hatching. At first I had this over the wax warmer because it's really bright at night and it's in here in the dining room, and so I just cut this little can and set over the wax warmer. And what this did, the wax warmer now is kind of up. We pulled it up. All the stuff's kind of going through this little hole where we had tape on it and stuff. But I had this on there so that if the humidity got low, I could drip water in here, and that would increase the humidity pretty rapidly. And after 18 days, we did a lockdown. We left the eggs alone, and the first one hatched on day 21. The first egg hatched on day 21. About half of them hatched on day 21, and then the rest of them hatched on day 22. They're all doing good. We had 14 eggs, and they all hatched. So I just wanted to do a little quick video on how it worked out for us. And most people, I'm told, this is the first time we've ever done this, and So everybody was asking how we got 100% hatch rate, and it may be just because of small numbers. I don't know, but anyways, just wanted to do a little quick video. Please give a thumbs up on the video. All right, thank you.